You look so pretty. Hi. My buddy. Yes, that's right. I love you. I'm at Home Depot right now, and I'm trying to build an herb garden. Basil, rosemary, and mint. Smells like
The dirt?
mm-hmm. Okay. We're gonna have a little herb garden. So we planted all our herbs and then did a couple of vegetables up here. And then up along the fence, I planted some sunflowers. And then I also did it along the staircase. Here I have catnip and garden cress.
Did you like my cooking?
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
This one goes to 11.
11? Wow.
Mm.
I'd say that that's a compliment to the chef.
Mm-hmm.
Up until Wednesday at 6:43, that's when they fired me. What?